Introducing Lenovo Modern IT Kits and Lifecycle Solutions, provisioning and management solutions for the modern workplace. With teams spread across geographies, your workers are using a variety of devices and applications, and they expect their work devices to be as flexible and accessible as their personal ones. In this turbulent new business model, how do technicians deploy and manage devices with ease? No matter where you are on your modern IT journey, Lenovo Modern IT Kits have you covered. Lenovo DIY Deploy is a launchpad for teams beginning their transition to modern IT. This set of Lenovo services helps IT groups deploy devices using Lenovo's provisioning tools, while end users receive everything they need to manage their own device setup. Lenovo Ready to Deploy helps IT teams who want to control imaging and versioning, while Lenovo handles preloads. With limited setup tasks, end users can get to work with their new devices right away. Lenovo Instant Productivity provides a deployment and maintenance solution for IT teams who are stretched thin and need to ease upfront work. With this kit, Lenovo builds the image to your specs, and end users can use their devices right out of the box. Talk to your rep about Lenovo Lifecycle Solutions to help you plan, manage, and support your Lenovo PC fleets. You have a vision for your organization's IT. Lenovo can help you realize it on your terms.